Hello, you are welcome to my channel. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Graphic design. Let me first break this phrase into two words. The first being graphic and the second design. Graphic is actually anything related to visual representation. The things we can see, analyze with our minds, and give a clear judgment based on how we understand it. So graphically, we can deduce information such as shapes, colors, textures, lines, curves, spaces, etc. with our eyes and in words give a conclusion on what we think it represents. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to just tell what a group of graphic elements represents. So organizing them in a simple way to make it easy for people to tell what it represents in a glance becomes needful. And this is where design comes in. Design is the use of skills and principles to arrange elements in a decorative and meaningful way, to represent an idea or convey a message to a specific set of people. This is one of the oldest professions in the history of time. It involves putting shapes, colors, textures, and other elements together, blending them harmoniously to convey a message to a targeted audience. This could be a sales company communicating the benefits of a product to its customers through posters, flyers, or billboards. It could also be a travel and tour company communicating to its customers about an upcoming trip, highlighting some of the main activities it has been packed with, or a financial institution communicating to its customers about a new product aimed at helping customers to access quick loans. It is believed that human minds can decode information faster when presented graphically. Because of this, every establishment that deals with humans prefers using graphics to communicate internally with its staffs and externally with customers. So, graphics can never be ruled out in any establishment. There are several ways to render graphic solutions. The kind of audience determines the type of graphic solution. Before start, it's important to clearly define 1. What the problem is. 2. The kind of audience you are designing for. Knowing these two things will help you to plan and decide on the kind of content, the layout, and the choice of colors to use. You can then conduct a research about your audience, asking yourself questions such as, what are their likes in terms of colors, music, celebrities, fashion, etc. Everything about your audience matters. Let us use this case study to help us understand it better. A food processing company has just introduced a new biscuit which is packed with nutrients that could help in the physical and mental development of growing children. As the in-house creative director for the company, you have been tasked to create artworks that will help communicate the benefits of this product to the general public. Given this task, here are the questions a graphic designer should first ask himself. What am I to do? Who am I doing it for? What are the things the people I'm designing for admire most? To question 1, you can clearly see that the task demands marketing materials like flyers, posters, billboards, TV commercials, etc. To question 2, the general public, that it should be more engaging to growing children. Therefore, growing children become the main target for this project. To question 3, it is obvious that every growing child loves bright colors. Depending on the era of time, there could also be a celebrity admired by every child. There could also be a popular song every child can easily sing. Having this information at hand will help you gather the right content for your audience. Answers to these questions becomes the main key points a designer can use to gather content that can be put together to create a problem-solving artwork that speaks directly to its audience. The designer then has to cleverly put the content together in a harmonious way using his ideas and imaginations whilst being guided by the principles of design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. In my next video, I'll be talking about principles of design. Subscribe to my channel now for more.